Hello everyone, it's Ripal Shah from London with latest current news announced today and last week from 4th of October from both side India and UK. So both government changed some rules and regulation for traveler between UK to India and India to UK. So most of the people know, but there is still some confusion. So you first of all start with the UK government and UK to India. So whoever traveling from UK to India is as it is same. You have to do the corona test within 72 hours before you travel. Fill the Air form, fill the declaration form before you go to India. Once you land in India, doesn't matter which airport, Mumbai, Delhi, Ahmedabad, or any airport. If there is a direct flight, you have to do another corona test on there on arrival. Pay 600 rupees, give sample, give your contact detail, and come out and go home. That's it. Nothing. No hotel quarantine. Nothing. If you have a both vaccine, if your both vaccine is done. Some changes coming up from 4th of October. Lots of people thinking we don't have to do the corona test if you are both vaccinated or something. No, nothing. As it is like previously, same thing. If you have done your both vaccine, if you are going India, still you have to before departure from UK to India, you have to do corona test within 72 hours. One major things, lots of people they don't know. I'm giving you one example. This video I will repeat in the Hindi as well. So once I finish the English language, people can come out, whoever understand. And people want to know the Hindi language, they can carry on. Before departure, when you do the corona test, very important. Don't do too close. One example I am giving you today, 1st October. For example, your flight is on 10th of October at 10 o'clock in the morning. So if your flight is on 10th of, I'm giving you example, 10th of October, 10 o'clock in the morning, lots of people go to do the corona test on 8th of October. Absolutely wrong. Within a 72 hours, go on 7th of October after 10 o'clock. So 10 October, morning 10 o'clock, 9 October, 8 October and 7 October. 7 October after 10 o'clock, you entered into the within a 72 hours period and your certificate is valid. Lots of the pharmacist people or the people are doing the corona test center, they say, oh no, come on 8, don't worry, 48 hours before we'll give you next day morning result. You're gonna give the next day morning result, but you're not gonna give guaranteed negative result. It's not in your hand. The result will be two things, either positive or negative. If the result come positive and you go to the airlines, say my result is positive and flight is operating next day morning, they're not gonna cancel. It's no so penalty, cancellation charge. Maybe you will lose 100% your amount. Doesn't matter, you bought the flexible ticket. Very important, your flight is 10th of October, morning 10 o'clock. Your time to do the corona test is 987. 7th of October, after 10, you entered into the within a 72 hours period. You are covered. Your certificate is valid. Do the test as soon as you enter the 72 hours period. Your result come on the 7th evening or 8th morning. There is a 20 to 30,000 people still positive in the country every day. You may be positive, we don't know. The person is doing your corona test will give you guarantee the result next day. He will not give you guarantee for negative result. That's the period. That's the reason I'm telling you. Lots of people are confusing and they're crying at the end of the day. So do the corona test. If your result came negative, it's fine. Go ahead, fill the form, share with the form and then declaration form and go, ready to go. Don't do the online check-in even before the result come. If the result, another things, people are doing the result, doing the COVID test within 48 hours. Before the result come, they do the online check-in. It means they're telling airlines that I am ready to come. How do you know that your result will be negative or positive? If your result come positive and if you ready, you done the online check-in, you told airlines I am ready to come on the airport, and then you call your travel agent, my result is positive. What can you do? Gone, finish, game over. Do the result as I explained before within a 72 hours period. As soon as you entered in the 72 hours period, do the result, wait for the result. If the result come negative, fill the form, do the online check-in. If your result come positive, game in your hand. You got enough 24 hours time to give the notice to airlines. Don't put me as a no-so. I am telling you my result is positive, change the date, pay some small amount of money, date change penalty or something, but not no-so. No-so is gone, your whole money is gone. That's the going out. Same thing coming back. When you do the 3 days before corona test, use the same concept, please. So that is done now. Now come back to the 4th of October. people are, and another thing is Covishield. Lots of the question. Let me clear. Covishield is approved by UK government. Absolutely yes, but not the certificate, the Indian certificate. What they say, fair enough. The Covishield is approved. We believe in Covishield, but we don't believe in the certificate they give one in India. So the people are coming back from India on visitor or whatever, and if they took the Covishield in India, both dose, still they have to do day 2 test, day 8 test, and home quarantine in the UK. Covishield is approved but not the certificate. So lots of biggest confusion. So if you have a Covishield, still you have to do the corona test in India 3 days before, fill the passenger form, book day 2 and day 8 test before you arrive in England. Once you arrive in the England, you have to do the 10 days home quarantine. Very clear. When you have to do the corona test is clear, Covishield is clear. Now panicking started today afternoon. Lots of people. Now we are going in India, and 4th of October we have to do the quarantine. Is not the hotel quarantine, my friend. It's a home quarantine. Same concept, exactly the same. You land on the airport, give the sample. If direct flight, give your contact detail, come out, home quarantine. That is since 6 months is the same process. Whoever went in India and now in India, check your paper and leaflet the people give you on airport. It says 10 days quarantine there also since 6 months. They just announced officially in the news. That's why people are panicking now. It's a home quarantine. It's not a hotel quarantine. And another things, the biggest things about this Covishield, be careful. Is Covishield approved but not the certificate? So big confusion. But 4th of October, there is a both way. Either you coming back from India to UK and you have a Covishield 10 days quarantine. UK traveler to India, doesn't matter you both vaccinated or not. Once you arrive there, do the COVID test on the airport and go home and 10 days home quarantine, which is there, not the hotel quarantine. So concepts is clear now. So be careful when you make a travel plan. Travel industry is open 70-80%. Don't scare too much. There is no hotel quarantine. And the connectivity flight, when you take the connectivity flight, make sure keep the 6 hours gap. So I will repeat in Hindi, whoever understand the English languages come out. तो 4th अक्टूबर से जो रूल्स चेंज हो रहा है उसमें, ऐसे मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया, बात तो समझ में आ गई होगी कि कब आपको कोरोना टेस्ट करनी है. विद इन 72 आवर्स में जब एंटर होते हो, 10 तारीख को अगर जाना है तो 9877 को जो फ्लाइट का टाइम 10th को है उसके बाद टेस्ट करवा लो. तो एडवांटेज रहेगा, आपको इनफ नोटिस दे सकते हैं आप एयरलाइंस को 24 आवर्स बिफोर की. तो आपको 900 पेनल्टी आपकी बच जाएगी. कैंसिलेशन चार्ज जो पेनल्टी है वही भरना पड़ेगा, पूरा टिकट के पैसे नहीं जाएंगे आपके. कोविशील्ड की जो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, कोविशील्ड जो इंडिया में जिसने कोविशील्ड ली है, अगर वो लोग इंडिया से यूके आते हैं तो उनको कोविशील्ड गवर्नमेंट ने अप्रूव की है, लेकिन सर्टिफिकेट वैलिड नहीं है. तो आपको कोविड का टेस्ट भी करना है, होम क्वारंटाइन भी यूके में 10 डेज करना है, डे 2 एंड डे 8 टेस्ट भी बुक करनी है, पैसेंजर लोकेटर फॉर्म भी भरना है. तो अभी जो नया अनाउंसमेंट जो हुआ है यूके ट्रैवलर के लिए कि यूके से जो आता है, अगर उसने दोनों वैक्सीन भी ली है, सर्टिफिकेट भी वैलिड है, तो भी उनको इंडिया में लैंड होने के बाद कोरोना टेस्ट करनी है और होम क्वारंटाइन 10 डेज होना है. जो चीज़ पहले से वो तो थी ही थी, उसमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. द ओनली वन लास्ट थिंग्स जो है, जो अगर 4th अक्टूबर के बाद जो यूके ट्रैवलर जो इंडिया से यूके आता है और वो वैक्सीन है, तो उसको इंडिया में कोविड टेस्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. यूके आने से पहले डे 2 टेस्ट भी करनी है और पैसेंजर लोकेटर फॉर्म भी भरना है. सब कुछ एज इट इज़ है, कुछ ज़्यादा चेंजेस हुए नहीं है. और होम क्वारंटाइन है, ये होटल क्वारंटाइन नहीं है. ज़्यादा पैनिक होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Like you and love you all. Thank you so much. Bye.